Hi guys, Postman's bin, or actually Hermes or Every as they call themselves now. Are they individually addressed? No, they don't seem to be. Okay. Right, what we have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think. 9-gram Metal Gear servos. This one. Should be 4, I think. 4 generic ESCs, the ones that I use nearly all the time. Supposedly 2S, although sometimes I've put 3S through them and blown them up. I seem to use quite a few of them. And then the real, this was all from AliExpress. The real reason I bought stuff on AliExpress was Big Clive did a review of some solder that he said was pretty rubbish. Lead-free solder. This is the stuff that I think is okay, that I use quite a lot, quite thin. So this one, hopefully, is the one that's the one that Big Clive didn't recommend, although he did say that it's should do stainless steel. Which I thought was interesting. So although he wasn't recommending it, I thought I would get some and try it. That's Nanny getting tea ready in the background. Yeah, I think, yeah, this is the stuff that Big Clive was talking about, because he remarked on it looking like Colonel Sanders on there. It said it would do stainless steel and aluminium. He tried it on aluminium, couldn't get it to work, but he was able to get it to work on stainless steel. And I thought it might be handy to have some that would do that. Now, the other thing he was saying that although it tells you it's a 100-gram reel, about 60 grams of that is the weight of the plastic reel and not the solder. But I'm not going to unwind it to find out. I was just buying it so I could try it out for stainless steel, because there's quite a few cases where I'm soldering onto battery tags that are actually stainless steel. So that's what I bought it for. That was what I was going on AliExpress for. While I was there, I bought the other stuff to make it up to the free shipping value. Only saved me about £1.99, but that's what I did. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.